Hey there, English learners! In today's episode, you'll hear a relaxed, real-life conversation between two coworkers. They're chatting about the weather, TV shows, and weekend plans. Just the kind of small talk that helps build friendly connections at work. This kind of conversation is common in English-speaking workplaces, and it's a great way to practice sounding natural and friendly. Listen closely to how they ask questions, react, and keep the chat going. And if you find this helpful, be sure to like the video so more learners can find it. Let's jump in. Morning, Jake. Cold one out there, huh? Oh, tell me about it. I had to scrape ice off my windshield this morning. Took me forever. Ugh, I nearly slipped on my driveway. I think we're in for a rough winter. Yeah, and it's only November. The forecast says snow all weekend. Great. I guess I'll be hibernating with Netflix. Got any show recommendations? Actually, yeah. I just started the repair shop. Super relaxing. It's just people fixing old things, but it's surprisingly heartwarming. That sounds oddly comforting. I've been rewatching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Something about it just cheers me up. Oh, classic. Always good for a laugh. By the way, doesn't the office feel warmer today? Yes. I think they finally fixed the heating. Last week I was wearing fingerless gloves like some Victorian writer. That's dedication. So how's your week been? Busy but manageable. A few meetings that could have been emails, you know? Story of our lives. I've got some deadlines coming up, but I'm trying not to stress. Good call. No use burning out before the holidays. Got any weekend plans? If the snow's not too bad, I might take the kids sledding. Worst case, we do pancakes and board games. That actually sounds perfect. I might bake something if I'm stuck inside. Ooh, save me a slice? Only if you shovel my driveway. Deal. Haha. Stay warm, Anna. You too, Jake. Let's break down some useful phrases from today's conversation and see how you can use them in everyday English. Cold one out there. Meaning, it's very cold outside. Example. It's a cold one out there today. Don't forget your scarf. Tell me about it, meaning strong agreement, often with a complaint. Example, this traffic is brutal. Tell me about it. Scrape ice off my windshield, meaning remove ice from your car's front window. Example, I was late. I had to scrape ice off my windshield. In for a rough winter, meaning expecting bad weather ahead. Snow already? Looks like we're in for a rough winter. Hibernating with Netflix. Meaning, staying inside and watching shows during bad weather. Not going anywhere this weekend, just hibernating with Netflix. Meetings that could have been emails, meaning a common complaint about unnecessary meetings. Example, that hour-long meeting could have been an email. Story of our lives, meaning something that happens to us regularly. Example, working late again? Yep, story of our lives. Burning out, meaning becoming exhausted or overwhelmed. Example, make sure to rest. You don't want to burn out. Stuck inside, meaning unable to go out, often due to weather. Example, we were stuck inside all weekend because of the snowstorm. Save me a slice, meaning ask someone to keep you a portion of what they baked or made. Example, that cake looks amazing. Save me a slice. Deal, meaning I agree or accept. You help with the setup, I'll handle the cleanup. Deal. Stay warm. Meaning a kind farewell during cold weather. Example, take care, stay warm out there. Thanks for listening. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and share this episode with your friends. Keep practicing, and we'll catch you in the next